Investing with just $100 in 2025 is not only possible, but it can also be a smart move if you leverage the right tools. Let's dive into 5 powerful resources that can help you maximize that initial investment. First up is Acorns with its AI-driven roundups. This app has transformed the way we think about spare change. By analyzing your spending habits, it suggests optimized recurring investments based on what you can comfortably afford. Imagine setting aside just $5 to $10 regularly, while the AI nudges you to stay on track, even alerting you if you're overspending. It's perfect for those who want to invest without the stress of constant monitoring. Next, we have Magnify AI. Think of it as your personal investment advisor right in your pocket. You can ask straightforward questions like, "What's the best ETF for long-term growth?" and receive clear, data-backed answers. It pulls from thousands of real-time data points, saving you from endless scrolling through forms. Plus, you can simulate your investment strategies before committing any money, giving you a risk-free way to explore your options. Now let's talk about using ChatGPT alongside Google Sheets. This combination can turn into your very own portfolio planner. You can create a risk-level questionnaire, set growth forecasts, and even generate a diversified mock portfolio. By plugging this data into Google Sheets with stock price APIs, you'll have a real-time dashboard tracking your hypothetical $100 investment. It's a fantastic way to practice investing without any financial risk. Tool number 4 is the Public app with its AI filters. This user-friendly investing platform now allows you to search for stocks and ETFs based on specific criteria like undervalued stocks or high dividend yield. With just a tap, you can invest in fractional shares of major companies or trending themes such as AI or green energy. This approach lets you capitalize on market trends without needing a hefty sum to start. Finally, we have Stash, which offers a guided investment experience. After answering a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, it builds a smart portfolio for you. The new AI features allow you to simulate how your $100 could perform across various objectives, whether it's retirement or growth. It even suggests small adjustments over time to enhance your outcomes, acting like a digital financial advisor at a fraction of the cost. For maximum impact, consider combining these tools. Use Acorns for passive investing, ChatGPT and Sheets for planning, Magnify for clarity, and Public and Stash for execution. This strategy ensures you're not just guessing, you're building wealth with data, automation, and a solid plan. In 2025, the most successful investors will be those who harness AI not just for research, but for actionable strategies. If you've been waiting for a sign to start your investment journey with that $100, this is it.